Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be showing you 20 poses that you can do using yoga blocks, and they can really make poses so much more accessible, and they can also help you to deepen your practice within a pose. They can help you feel more relaxed, they can help you with your flexibility, they can help you with your strength, so they're really versatile. And I will leave a link in the description where you can find my Amazon storefront, and I will have a link to some yoga blocks that I have recommended, the ones that I've got today. And yeah, so if you're a beginner, these yoga blocks can be a lifesaver, and actually as well, if you are a intermediate or even advanced practitioner, yoga blocks are just always such a great prop to have in your yoga practice. Before we get started, I wanted to mention there are different levels when it comes to yoga blocks. So this would be the highest level, the ground would come up to you and make it a bit more accessible. Then there's this side, which is the next level down, and then the shorter side, which is the next level down. And you also get blocks in different textures. So mine are soft and foamy, but you can also get harder, more kind of rigid cork ones as well. So I will leave a few different options in the description below. And when you're ready, I will get started with the 20 different yoga poses that you can do using yoga blocks. Hope you enjoyed and received some inspiration from those yoga poses that I've just shown you. Go try them out for yourself and see how amazing it is to add yoga blocks to your yoga practice. If you have any requests for any other videos, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.